Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Slack for project management. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first step would be is to create a channel for this specific project so we can start like having a project scope channel, and from there you can start communicating concerning, or you will be having like as we said, like a topic or a scope for this specific project. So let's start by creating a channel. Now we want to create a channel concerning this project. As you can see, we already have a starter pack or a template that we can use for our project. Either you can go with the template or you can simply have a blank channel. So I will just go with the templates, and from here we will find the other things that we can have. So now I'm just going to click on next, and I want to use this template. From here you can rename the channel so we can have it as by the project name. You can either make it public, which is not practical since we will have only one team that will be concerned by this project, so you can make it private. After that, you will be inviting the member that are participating to this project, and then you can add them here, and I'm just going to skip for now. And basically, we can start like messaging for this channel, and you will already have like an overview, and from here you can start like setting up your goals. Basically those are just templates. You can change whatever you like on, so you can change the type, for example, of this element. So basically this is a header. You can make it a checklist or whatever. So basically here it already have many things or stuff concerning projects, and you can like use this as a template or as a starter pack so you can start like changing. You can go to the project tracker. From here you can start like adding projects. You can add item whenever you would like. You can assign people to it. So as you can see, you can add assignee, and from here like we will have workflow. For example, whenever you have something like that, it can send a message or whatever. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.